One trial down, but two still to go in the Melody Hoffman murder case in Linn County. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ron Steele. Thanks for joining us here on this Friday night. Elizabeth has the night off. Well, tonight you're going to hear directly from Linn County Attorney Nick Maybanks the day after he convicted McKinley Louisma of murder and kidnapping. KWW reporter David Warrington talking with Nick Maybanks today about what happens next in this case.
Tonight, the Linn County Attorney is looking ahead to the trials of the next two men charged with Melody Hoffman's murder. On Thursday, it took just 2 hours for the jury to find McKinley Louisma guilty of first-degree murder and kidnapping. Louisma was charged with murder in the death of Melody Hoffman, his ex-girlfriend, whose body was found at Lily Lake in Amana back in February. Linn County Attorney Nick Maybanks believed that he and his team had presented a strong case. However, he knew nothing could be certain until the guilty verdict had been read.
You don't take anything for granted. You don't begin any kind of, you don't even exhale until the jury comes back, because anything can happen. But I looked at the jurors while I was giving the closing argument. I knew that we had given what they need, and I felt good about it. I felt like they were going to do the right thing, and they did. They most definitely did.
There's still two more defendants awaiting trial in this case, including Dakota Van Patten, who also faces the charge of first-degree murder.
Barring any kind of surprise, they're going to trial, and we're going to take them to trial. We have one set, I think, in just a few weeks. We'll see if that date sticks. Then we have, of course, Mr. Van Patten set in March, and we plan to get the engines fired up and ready to go in March and hold him accountable as well.
Next up for Louisma is his sentencing, which will take place on December 6th, right back here at the Linn County Courthouse. In Cedar Rapids, David Warrington, News 7, KWWL.
David, thanks for the update. In addition to Dakota Van Patten's trial upcoming, Logan Kimpton is also charged in this case. His are a little bit lesser charges, though: willful injury and conspiracy to commit a non-forcible felony. He will go on trial in December.